I am Jyotirmay Dash, and my journey to becoming an SAP S/4HANA expert wasn't a straight path. Coming from a middle class family after my MBA in 2013, I was really struggling to get a job to support myself. I started as a sales representative at Procter & Gamble, but the intense workload shattered my dream of a easy life. Later, as a territory sales manager at Bharti Airtel, I earned a good salary. But something was missing, a pull towards the dream IT software. Then I thought that IT means coding, and this coding wasn't for me. So this dream of a IT job seemed to be out of reach. Then, thanks to my friend who introduced me to SAP, a functional role which didn't require coding, and it was a jackpot for me. I dove with an online course, but without real guidance, I struggled. I was lacking the business knowledge. That's when I connected with a mentor who had successfully transitioned from a sales role to SAP. His practical tips and handholding helped me to crack an interview and land into my dream IT role. Today, as a certified SAP S/4HANA SD and TM consultant, having more than 12 years of experience, I have led many projects. And I have also worked for giants like Tata Motors, Husqvarna, and many other clients. During my career, I have streamlined many processes, including the base of order to cash. But my passion is teaching others. I teach practical, real-world SAP skills, configuring Advanced ATP and BTP integration, or optimizing logistics, helping beginners and the professionals, bridging the gap that I once faced. Through my course, I provided the mentorship that I needed at that particular time. Clear guidance, hands-on practice, and real-time doubt resolution. My goal is to empower you to transform your career, just like I did for myself, by getting the mentorship, the guidance, and the handholding that me or anyone needs during the learning phase. Ready to start your SAP journey? Connect with us on SAP Talks and explore my training programs. And I will make sure that you are taking your first step towards your IT role. Let's succeed together.